So we are good to start. We'll wait for a couple of minutes to allow more alums to join in. So hello everyone. Thank you for joining in. So we have Santosh, we have Gautam, we have Ranganath sir, Mangesh. If anyone would like to quickly give a quick round of introduction, maybe the batch and which hostel and all those things by the time the others join.
Okay, I am Rijas,
Okay, so I'll
2014
start.
MTech.
So my name is Vidyut. I moved to Bangalore, a part of the Bangalore chapter since 2018. Right after I passed out from IITB, I completed my master's in metallurgical and materials engineering. I was in hostel first year, and after that, the PG students, so they go to hostel 12, 13, 14. So that was the trend. So I was lucky I got hostel 13. It had a very wonderful view from the hostel of the Powai Lake. So it was wonderful. I'd request other alums if anyone would like to quickly give a quick round of introduction by the time the others also join in, and we are good to start.
Okay,
I'm
Santosh.
Ranganath.
Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead.
I passed out MSc 1975. I was in Hostel 9. At that time, there was only up to Hostel 9.
Okay.
There were no 10, 12, 11, 12, so on.
Okay.
Way long back. And I preciously remember my hostel days and especially the mess food and the department mathematics. And
Yeah.
people with a lot of people, lot of students. Even I have contact with one Mr. Anantanarayanan is my classmate. I saw him in the last meeting in the hotel here. In the hotel there was a meeting, 60th anniversary.
Yeah.
At that time I met him in the hotel meeting, the get together meeting. He was my classmate in MSc Maths. Right now I'm retired, I'm staying at home.
Yeah. Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. So I
Yeah.
think for this introduction part, if at least for the first part, if people, those who are able to do it, you can turn on your video because I have switched on my gallery view. It is good to see faces, so it creates the impression that actually I have someone in front of me, audience. So that will be great. Thank you so much. Okay, I can already see a lot of them. Santosh, would you like to quickly introduce yourself? Santosh, he's our past chapter president, and it's been a long time since we had him for some of our events. It's good to have him back. Thank you, Santosh, for joining.
Thank you, Vidyut, and I'm sorry I could not join some of the earlier events because of some other commitments. It's nice to see all the people here. So I'm Santosh Bustali, and my name is appearing as Swayam because my son uses the same mobile for his online classes. By mistake, it logged in the same name. So sorry for that.
Okay.
So I passed out in 2007 MTech Mechanical Engineering, and I currently work for a company called Garrett. And I am so happy to be associated with the Bangalore chapter for last about 5 years. I learned a lot of things which are helping me in my personal career growth and as well. So being a part of alumni chapter always helps, and we make a lots of new friends. And I also specifically would like to thank IIT Bombay, Bombay office. A lot of people are putting a lot of efforts in making this alumni association great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Santosh. Thanks a lot for joining. Anyone else would like to quickly give a round of introduction?
Okay, hi. I am Rijas. I did my master's from in 2014 in aerospace. Currently, I am associated with Bangalore EC chapter.
Wonderful. Thank you. And he's also our treasurer at the moment, our chapter treasurer. Thanks a lot, Regis.
I think Mangesh want to speak.
Yeah.
I'll unmute.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Mangesh Hirve. I am 1995 chemical graduate. I was in hostel 2. I mean, throughout my time, 91 to 95. So I moved to Bangalore like 10 years ago. And since then, I've been in Bangalore. But I mean, this is the first time I'm meeting, in an IITB event. I don't know how I was missed or how I missed you guys. But nice to be back in the loop.
Great, sir.
Wonderful. I think all of us missed you. All of us missed you. So that was the point of having this event. Since we were not able to have physical meets, because
Welcome,
that was
Mangesh. It's really good to
one
have
thing.
you.
Yeah.
Hey,
Really
Very
good you
good to
joined us
have.
actually today. This is Meeta. Thank you for joining.
thanks.
Smita, would you like to go next? Give a quick introduction. I think most of the alums know you, but still, if you would like to give a quick round of introduction.
And put a face to your
Yes,
name.
Smita,
I
can you
think
turn on your video if possible?
I think then Namita will take over then next.
So am I the only one to introduce, or should I start?
You can start, Namita.
Okay, Vidyut and Smita, with your permission. May I?
Definitely, Namita, we can start. I was just having a quick look at
Mhm.
how many participants we have. We have 15.
15.
So maybe we can wait for a couple of minutes and we can hear to some more of our alums.
Mhm.
I
Yeah,
think
that
people are
would be nice.
joining in gradually. Yeah, people are joining in.
Mm. All right, I'll wait for your
Yeah, sure.
instruction.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Request
Hi,
all the
Namita.
switch on
Hi,
the
Smita.
video also, please.
Hi, Santosh. So good to see you. Okay.
Hi, Smita. Please switch on the videos. All other participants, it's a
Yeah,
request.
but Peter, we can't see you. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it for like few minutes. Hi, Utsav. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Hi, this is Smita.
wonderful. Yes.
I'm also an EC member of the Bangalore chapter and a part of the team for organizing this event with Vidyut. And yeah, it's actually been a pleasure to work with Vidyut, Rijas, Utsav. Yeah, thank you. So I graduated in 2012. I did my PhD in entrepreneurship from IIT Bombay, and I've been associated with the chapter for about more than a year now. Right. So, like Mangesh, what he said, I also realized I've been in Bangalore for the past 6 years, and I actually sometimes I realize I missed a lot of activity and a lot of action which happened, in the earlier years. So I can relate to what you say, sure. But it's glad, you could make it today.
Definitely, wonderful.
You.
Anyone else who would like to go ahead and we can have maybe a last introduction from one alums before we begin, or maybe a couple of alums?
Hi, I'll go
Yeah.
if that's okay.
Yes, sure. Okay, great, awesome. Yeah.
I'm Gautam Doshi. I graduated in '86, so I was 820408. Electrical engineering bachelor and hostel 7, Lady of the Lake.
Lady of the
Lady of the
hostel
Lake,
at the
yeah.
time was 10, so I think 11, 12, 13. Those hostels are newer. I've been in Bangalore for 17 years now.
Wow.
I was in the US for 15 years before then and had been working till recently, till about 2 years ago at Intel for 30 years. So I'm working on independently right now, and really glad to have been reconnected with so many different IITB alums and so close in Indiranagar itself. And I have participated only sparingly in a few events. I was there in the 60th anniversary celebration that was held, but not many other than that. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to connect with more events going forward. But thank you for organizing this. This is nice.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Mumbai, though.
Thank you so much.
So
Doshi sir, one question.
yeah,
Santosh has a
sir,
question. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Recently, you have visited IIT Bombay campus.
I had come. I had come once in the last year, I think, in about 6 months ago. More than a year now because of the lockdown. But yes.
Okay. So a lot of difference you must be experienced there. Yes, sir.
I went back to see my old room. It was mixed feelings.
Yeah.
Now there are 2 people
Sir,
per room. That wasn't the case before. So
Okay.
Sir, till hostel 18, I think, has come up now.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
I know there was a
Namita-
hostel. There was a hostel being built just beyond Hostel
Yes.
7. I don't know
Yeah.
what the number is. One of
That
the
is
blocks
12,
of
13,
Hostel
14,
7.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So one of the blocks of Hostel 7 has been demolished. Anyway,
Actually,
it was
all
good
of
to see all these changes.
all of Hostel 7 is being torn down, by the way. So if there are any Hostel 7 alumni, maybe you want to visit soon.
Yeah. Definitely wonderful. Anyone else? Maybe we can have a last introduction.
Basically,
Sunil, yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, Sunil, please.
hi, this is Sunil, H5 2001 pass out mechanical engineering. My question was, why are they destroying Hostel 7, even though I'm not from Hostel 7?
We have a official representative from our campus, Namita. Maybe Namita, would you like to take that question?
Well,
I'll dodge the tough questions.
Simple. No, that's a very easy question. The building has become bad and it is dilapidated right now. So they're trying to build up a better version of Hostel 7. I know you guys are very nostalgic. You feel nostalgic about your hostels, but I think it's time to build up a new building. So that's why it's coming up.
Okay, one quick follow-up question. Are they destroying other hostels also apart from
A few
H7?
others, yes, but we'll get to know soon as we go along.
I think the word
that
they
are in
use is
bad
renovating,
shape.
not destroying, right? So
Well, let's not call it destroying. They're just going to make a new structure. I think before the structures were double story, not even triple story, but now they're going to make a vertical structure which will accommodate more people. So that's the plan right now. So at IIT Bombay, whatever happens, only when it happens, you know it has happened. So let us wait for it to happen and then say it's happened. Yeah. So do you have any other questions, Sunil?
So we are having a quick Q&A session with Namita just before we start the session.
Yeah, that's because
You can
Namita is the
shoot-
only one
you
who
can
is
shoot-
logged
you can
in
shoot-
from the campus, probably.
You can shoot your questions right now if there are
Vidut,
any.
we should have made this as an agenda, like
Yes, we
chat
should
with
have.
Namita.
That is why I
Vidut, you
pulled
can give
in
an
agenda.
introduction for Namita. Actually,
Definitely.
it's a
I don't-
pleasure.
how-
She's
How do you
joining
think
us.
I can miss it?
because,
I
she's
definitely.
the one
Arey, let
who's
me
joining us from
introduce
the
myself.
not only from the campus, from the IITB Central Office.
Yeah.
Actually, right. Thank you
Okay.
so much for coming.
Okay, so we'll quickly start off then with the session because it's already 5:15 and
Vidut,
yeah, yes, Rijas, yeah.
yeah, let Namita introduce, right? We didn't have a
Yes.
proper introduction from us.
So let me introduce myself.
No, definitely okay. But before that, let me give a small introduction for Namita. Then after that, Namita, she can go ahead and introduce herself. Yeah. Okay. So the reason why we are having this virtual informal meetup is that that till previous years we used to have the physical meetups. We used to have a freshers welcome event where we used to have a lot of alums coming from different parts of the city. So last year in the month of September when we had the event, we had around 100 plus alumni who attended that event. It was a great networking event and people enjoyed it a lot. And that was in the calendar this year as well. But unfortunately, lockdown happened and after that entire planning got disrupted. So we thought that why not, right now everything is happening virtually. So why not make use of the virtual platform and see that how we can make a dedicated event where people can have come together and with one single purpose, basically to have lots and lots of fun, connect together, interact with each other, and then we have activities planned for you. Let's see how it goes. So with that, I'll hand over the stage to Namita, so who is the Chief Operating Officer of IIT Bombay Alumni Association. She tells that she's actually not a IITB alumnus, and she uses it in her introduction every time she introduces herself. She will tell that, okay, I'm not a IIT alumnus myself, but I'm telling you, she is the person who is most attached to all the chapters. She's the one who spends her time helping out all the chapters and designing their events with whatever difficulties you face. She's the person who is always there. So with this very, very short introduction, I'll hand over the stage to Namita to give a welcome address and declare the event open. Over to you, Namita.
Thank you so much, Vidyut. That was an exaggerated introduction, I would say, but thankfully it was short. So let me continue. And you copied all my lines, so I in my introduction. So my name is Namita Lobo, and I have been with IIT Bombay Alumni Association for the last 8 years. This is my 9th year. So I have kind of interacted with all the chapters, all kinds of people, all kinds of events in this last 8 years, which includes reunions also. Some of you might have attended your reunions on the campus, and we must have met somewhere or the other. I handle operations here, like you said, and it gives me a lot of opportunity to understand various kinds of situations, various kinds of people. So that's what I am passionate about. In these uncertain times, it is so good to see everybody online. Um, you know, my mother always tells me that at least we have technology to connect with each other. By the way, Bangalore chapter and Bangalore has been very close to my heart because my parents live in Bangalore. So it's kind of my hometown now. And the Bangalore chapter has always been active. I don't think in the last 8 years I have ever heard Bangalore chapter being dormant and doing nothing at all. So, that's why this chapter is one of the chapters that is very close to my heart. And whenever there is an event, I'm the first one to jump on it and say, I'm going to Bangalore. Well, now you know why. I have ulterior motive also. So thank you very much for being here. And I'm glad at least we have technology in these uncertain times. At least let's see the positive side. But having said that, technology also probably doesn't appeal to all of us because I'm somebody who would like to meet people physically and not virtually. So let us wait for the good times. Till then, let us do whatever we can. At least we have this. So thank you very much for joining, and thank you very much for this privilege and honor to start the event and introduce myself. And yes, Vidyut forgot one line. Whenever I'm asked, which is a very normal and usual question to me, are you an IITBN? I say, no, I am normal. So that means all the IITBNs are abnormal, but that was a joke. Please don't take it too seriously. Thank you so much. Over to you, Vidyut.
Well, it was sad that you had to explain the joke because I could get the joke the first time when you used it in one of our events. So thank you for that. And with this, let's start the session, and I will call upon the host for our first session, Utsav Mukherjee, who is one of our EC members and one of the very, very active alums in our chapter whom we have with us at the moment. So Utsav, stage is all yours to take over.
Yeah, so in this icebreaker, this is an icebreaker session, and here I am going to give you a couple of questions or a couple of moments you can answer and go back to your IITB days. So I'll just start with that. So here, what I'll do is I'll share a link. Me and Vidyut I'll share a link in the chat box. Keep a tab of that and click on that, and then based on the questions what will come, answer that, and we'll in the screen you can check it out how it is happening. So let's start with the fun part, and let's start our virtual campus journey. Okay, so let me share. Vidyut, do you want to add anything?
No, Utsav, go ahead, please.
Yeah, okay. So in the chat box, I'm just sharing the link, and let me present my screen. Are you able to see? Already shared, I think. Yeah.
Yes, Utsav, it is starting. Yes, yeah, it's there.
Okay. See, the first question is, which is the best hostel at IITB according to you? So yeah, many people are saying 3, 5, 7, 10, 4. Anybody having any difficulty?
No.
So 10 people, 13 people are answered.
9.
14.
Utsav, Prasanna here.
Yeah.
Can you show me the URL? I couldn't see that. It just went away.
In the chat box, so I'll share it once
okay,
again.
1 second. It's in
Yeah, in the chat box it's there.
I'll post it once again. It's there. Yeah.
So like 5, 4. अरे कहाँ 6 वाले किधर है भाई? I'm from 6 years. Somebody do something. 1 नहीं है, 2 नहीं, कोई नहीं है यार. बाकी जनता किधर है यार? बोलो.
We have a funny answer that obviously it is 10.
No comments. क्या बोलूं मैं?
Everyone agrees with that.
Okay, 4. हाँ, वो तो अभी नहीं ऑप्शन नहीं है. H9 H9 आ गया. 4, 8, 7, 10, 15. 4 is the highest. Okay, now you have to beat it. 5.
5 is giving a tough competition. Huh?
Tough competition
5.
is 4. 10 is like third.
Yeah.
Four, 5, yeah.
Come on, H5.
Come on, yaar.
Yeah, I have one question here.
Yeah.
I think in the participants there are only 2 ladies, Namita and Divya, I think. But the number 8 is the size indicates the number of people who are selected that option.
Yeah, number of people.
You missed Smita also.
Okay,
Yes,
Smita is also there.
Yeah.
So,
So actually, that's the reason
We
10
have
and 15
Divya
are less in
Samhita.
number. Yes.
We have, right, Samhita. We have Divya Samhita also. Divya Samhita is here. I just saw.
4 and 5. Okay, that's so we can.
Smita, but you are from hostel 11, right?
Exactly.
I know actually, right? Sorry, I just realized.
4 and 5. So that is that like the 3, 4, 5 now. Okay. So the 3 is like came up like from nowhere. Okay. 3, 4, 5.
No, actually, so like.
1,
sorry,
2,
I realized
6
that, like,
कोई नहीं है.
Namita.
1, 2, 6 का कोई नहीं है. Nobody is there in what 1, 2, 6. 5 है 3, 4, 5. I think that's okay. This is the thing. I have wrote 3, 4, 5. That's why people are writing 3, 4, 5. Or what is that thing? I mean, I don't not getting it. You can write anything, any number, yeah.
H3.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes.
Which Bangalore chapter hyperlocal group is the most machawala group? Folks, अरे चलो start करो. चलो यार बेलंदूर वाले को जिताओ यार कोई. I am from बेलंदूर. कोराइचे sir.
Come on यार, Whitefield से कौन है? Whitefield.
So we'll actually vote for the group we like, no?
Santosh HRB यार. ECT, South Bangalore, nobody is there. Come on यार. चलो
Indira Nagar.
Whitefield.
Indira Nagar का like folks are more na, so it should be averaged out, okay? The folks are more. It should be like.
Someone commented Electronic City.
Are you have to vote there. Select it.
That's what.
Oh, I think there's a
If anybody is having any difficulty in accessing, please let me know.
Sorry, I didn't see. I'll just vote it in the link. Yeah.
Yes. Just use the link.
It's quite cool.
Okay. Indira Nagar.
Belandur, Kodai Chesad, Indira Nagar. Baki Janta, where are you? Most Machao hyperlocal group, not Bangalore, ECT. No responses till now. ECT now opened its khata khola, ऐसा बोलते हैं. Like it's not Bangalore, none. Not Bangalore Janta, where are you?
I think
Indira Nagar will win, Uddhav.
Come on, yeah. You should
be
have
the
an
weighted
option
average,
of
no? We
averaging
should-
out.
Yes,
Come on, this
weighted
is
average.
cheating.
Why should average? It's active.
Hey, no more number of people here. Some fair play होना चाहिए ना.
I think some things are changing. Yeah, I think North Bangalore somebody had joined.
Yes, Belandur is the top. Belandur should win. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Utsav, please check if you have not done anything.
Hey, I have not done anything. I'm just presenting my screen.
Thank
Yes,
you.
come on.
Utsav has made some hacks.
Thank you,
I have
Santosh.
not
I was
seen
about
easy
to
to
say that.
Vote multiple times.
Can we
Yeah.
cast it
Letting
multiple
you
times?
know the hack. It is easy to vote
Yeah.
multiple times. You can just click on the link, vote once, and then open the link again, and then you can vote again.
Yeah, but I cannot. I am not doing anything. I'm just presenting my screen.
So
I have
Utsav is
total-
voting.
I am doing.
So
I
Utsav
am
is
voting
also
for
voting.
Belandur Sarjapur, na? Yeah.
Utsav is
yes.
also voting with another device or
If you
something. You should
bounce
check.
actually, If you're voting to so many times now, we'll give you bumps then after the
Hey,
event.
come on, you can have to give virtual bumps. You cannot give me like.
Oh, actually, yeah, everything is virtual now. So true.
ठीक है, तो ultimately Velandu said वो won ना, so I am just stopping it and then Vidyut will hand over if everything is okay. Don't call it cheating, huh? I have given you enough time to vote. People didn't vote.
But the results are very suspicious. We need to
No,
check.
that is, I mean, come on, yeah, you are taking assumptions.
Vidyut,
Yeah.
we have only 18 participants and 24 has voted.
No, that is because multiple options are there to vote. A person can vote multiple times.
Acha.
No, it shows 24 votes right down below.
Yeah. 24 means multiple times you can vote.
Multiple times included, yeah. That is why it
Oh,
comes
we'll have to then get in touch with the election commission, right?
No, it's not multiple times. You can select more than one.
You can also
That is
vote
also
multiple
there.
times
Yes,
if you
right,
refresh
right.
it.
Yes.
So that is like hacking for IITians.
No, actually that option was enabled for certain questions, but we did not know that alumni will make utilization of that feature for this question also.
Don't underestimate.
Yeah.
Don't underestimate IITB alums. Yes, that's
exactly. True. Yeah, so moving to Vidyut, I'm stopping. You just.
Okay. So we'll move on to the next one now. And I'll share my screen. Okay, so which was your favorite hangout place at IIT Bombay? The link is already shared. Chincho, placement office. Okay, interesting answers. What is this Chincho? I need to know. So you can post your answer. Campus Hub, definitely one of my favorite places. So, but right now they have shut it down. I think in place of that, there is a new eatery which is coming up. Boat House H10. Okay. H10 should go up.
Technically, yeah.
Technically, H10 should go up if people are answering honestly. But what is this Chincho? Though the person who has written this term Chincho, I am very much interested to know what is Chincho. Can someone elaborate or explain what is Chincho? Gullu, yes, definitely Gullu was a great place.
Chinko, not Chincho.
Chinko, okay. What is that?
That was the Chinese restaurant next to H8, which moved above the NCC area.
Ah, okay. But I don't think it is there at the moment, right? Maybe this was in which year?
Yeah, this was 93.
93. Okay. Okay.
I'm sure it was there till I think almost 2007, 2008. Not sure whether it's there now.
Because we saw Gulmohar only. Like
Gulmohar, yes. Gulmohar was there. Okay. Answers. Y Point, Lakeside, Coffee Shack. Shrusti, Samir Hill. Anyone would like to quickly share some incident related to one of these places? You are answering. I think Gullu is the most popular right now. Yeah. Sure, go ahead.
Shristi, anyone knows? Shristi was in front of H1, in front of SAC.
H1, okay.
Yeah. They used to serve rotis and chapati and vegetables. It was a very nice.
Okay.
No, when I was studying, it was Sunrise Dhaba.
Sunrise Dhaba, yes. That was there for me, but now they have even closed it. I think a new vendor is coming there there as well, in that place as well.
Okay.
I guess
What is Gullu? What is Gullu? I don't know.
Gullu is Gulmohar, man.
Yeah,
Gulmohar.
we had gone there, yes.
I used to also go to the Tansa. There is that Bengali fish curry and rice.
It is also there in the answer, yeah. Nescafe Coffee Shack. Hiranandani. Okay, though the question was at IIT Bombay, but okay, still we'll consider it.
But actually,
at Hiranandani.
Yeah, how come Madhu Mess is not there here yet?
Madhu Mess, yes, someone should
Maddy Mess. Someone mistakenly wrote Maddie Mess. I think that's what.
Maddie Mess.
Okay.
it must be a typo perhaps. Yeah.
Madhu Mess was even featured in, I think, IITB booklet also, I think.
The inside newsletter, I think, yes? I think there it was.
Lakshmi Hotel was good, yeah.
Yes, nobody told about Sunny? Okay.
Sunny, yes, Sunny. I was going to mention that. How did you miss Sunny?
And
a lot of veg people out here.
Palace?
I think a lot of veg people out here, vegetarians. That is why Lakshmi Hotel has come up.
And there was one more Sujata Palace in the Middle Gate, near Middle Gate.
Okay, I haven't been there. I don't know. Sunny Bar. Okay, now it is there. Someone has mentioned Sunny Bar. So we'll go to the next question now. You can use the same link. So the next question is, okay.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Who is the current CEO of IIT BA? And you have 3 options here. Let's see how many people are actually aware that who is the, okay. Interesting. So 2 people have voted. Others, you can use the same link as before, the last one. Interesting answers actually. Subhasish
Namita is
Chaudhary.
noting this, Vidyut.
Yes, Namita is noting this, that whether you actually know who is the CEO of IITBA.
This
or not.
input will go, and somehow it will come back to us.
From tomorrow onwards, again that mail has to be sent.
Exactly.
Okay, come on guys, I see 10 votes.
I think should.
Others, if you don't know, also put a wild guess.
Yeah, anything,
even if it can be your Alia Bhatt moment when you guess the wrong answer, but still you can go ahead because this is anonymous. I won't come to know if you have voted for the wrong answer as well. So give it a chance, man. Come on, go ahead and guess whatever comes to your mind.
Devesh Khatu and Suhas Joshi going like.
Yes, there is a tough competition happening between Devesh.
There should be some others option so that people can write their whatever they think.
Okay, so you think the name is something else apart from this, and we have given you the wrong options?
Yeah,
okay.
Better for random guess. Yeah.
Random guesses chat box is there. If you would like to give some interesting answers, we have the chat box open. Okay, guys, come on. 20 participants, only 11 votes. For some of the previous answers, there were multiple options which people were given, and right now we see that people are refraining from voting. Okay.
Yeah,
come on, man. At least give a tiebreaker vote.
Nobody will arrest you here if you give
Devesh
wrong
Khatu
answer.
And
Please
Suhas
answer.
Joshi. At least let's have a tiebreaker.
Prashant Bhagrut has commented.
What is that?
Devesh,
okay.
Okay, tiebreaker. Now Suhas
Joshi has won.
Joshi
exactly.
has won.
Namita, you'll have to decide now.
I hope Devesh is not there in this call, right?
Devesh told that he will be joining for a couple of.
No, right now I think he's not there, right?
No, he's not there right now. So you are safe, guys. You can give whatever answer comes to your mind.
Okay, I think Vidyut, you can tell the answer now.
Okay, so I think we have a lot of Alia Bhatts here within our alums. So the correct answer is Devesh Khatu. Interestingly, Suhas Joshi, he is the Dean for Alumni and Corporate Relations. So he's the Dean ACR. So Devesh Khatu is our CEO. And Subhasish Chaudhary, I don't know, some people have still voted. He's the director of IITB at the moment. Oh, now Devesh Khatu is going up. Come on, guys. Now I have disclosed the answer. Your answers don't count right now. Okay. So back to you, Utsav, for the next set of questions.
Yeah. So again, look at the chat box. I have shared the third link. Just open it and I'm going to present it. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Oh, this one is.
Yes. So, yeah. So, which hostel mess has the worst food? So, like age something. Okay, 1, 10. No, I have like hostel 6. I think Tuesday was the horrible like lauki ka sabzi and something they used to give like So, 1, 4. So, any mazedar experience you have or any like worst food experience you want to share, any of you? 10 is like the इतना खराब था क्या 10 का खाना?
बहुत लोगों ने टेस्ट किया है. Many people have tasted each 10 food.
This is मतलब ये मतलब
good, nice.
सारे लोग जो 10 में जाके मतलब विजिट करके खाते थे, from they also answering or how is it? Like
I think so. Hostel 4, H4
whatever
is...
grudges you have like regarding hostel 10 and others and put it here. we can like vent it out. So I think 4 is like the worst food award is going to 4 now. 10 is close. Okay. Come on here. No competition. I think 10 is the Tansa. Okay. 1, 4, 10. Acha, 1 ka, okay. I think 1 will win. Looks like.
5
10.
had good food according to me.
Yeah, I mean, I had 5 exactly. I used to go in 5 actually. Puri and all those things they used to give. So, guys, it's worst food, okay, not best food. Keep in mind.
Don't confuse. Yes.
Yeah. Worst food of 1, 4, 10. I think this is it. 4, 1, 10. Okay. How many people are doing? 36 answers. Okay, great. So, I think 1 will take the award. Anybody wants to beat 1? Please, 10. Okay. 10, 1. I mean, tiebreaker between 1 and 10. I think nobody is there. H9. Anybody want to share anything? Any experiences you had? Anyone?
10 has an amazing food. I don't know why it's leading.
So I want to share one
I was
experience
there.
of mine. Is that in there was वो होता था ना क्या होता था खाना some healthy नहीं और एक कुछ होता था. Vidyut, do you remember that each like one semester में one food
The
and all.
gala dinner they used to have.
Gala हाँ.
Gala
So
dinner.
gala में what I did is that they were giving rabri and jalebi with the coupon, and I was like very like wanted to have more, so I went to hostel 12. Copy of those coupons, cut them in that shape, and brought them and had like 4 5 extra, and
Okay.
then like they caught me and eventually somehow I escaped. So that's the thing. Okay, so I think 1 is the winner. So let's go to the next one then.
Yeah.
Okay, have you ever been in a hostel of the opposite gender? The 4 options are there. Okay, frequent, yes, no, I don't know, I prefer not to say. Yes. Have you ever been in a hostel of the opposite gender? Okay. Yes. Frequent visitor. Okay. It's like anything funny you want to share?
The frequent visitor, would you like to share your
Yeah,
experiences?
frequent visitor. Exactly.
The person was voted or someone.
No. Okay. No. Okay. It's no,
No?
IDK.
Okay.
No, I don't know answer. Okay. No is increasing. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So. Frequent visitor are like keeping mum. Come on here. You have to share something. Yes, no, frequent. Okay. So this is it. I think. Okay. Vijit, over to you then.
Okay. So I'll share the link for the next set of questions and the chat box. Yeah, there you go. This is the link for the next set of questions, everyone. Quickly start sharing my screen so that you can see your results. What was or is your favorite IITB lingo? A lot of interesting answers here, guys. Come on, start shooting your answer. Sutta, okay. Hindi, Janta, you have the option of giving multiple responses as well. So put in whatever come to your mind as of now. Bakar,
I think Janta
Machax, Janta should win.
Janta Janardhan, huh? ऐसा है.
Machax, Sutta, Grub. Hindi.
दया कहाँ पे? दया give up नहीं है.
Janta is still leading. Come on, Janta, give some other answers as well. Okay, Daya has come out. Give up. YP, okay. Pain, yeah, okay, yeah. How did we miss this? Pain, wonderful.
So pain is like the hitting the chart.
Yeah. Machao, Sutta. Okay, how many responses we have? 36 responses. Oh, wonderful. Maggao. Okay, maybe somebody did a spelling mistake. Okay. Machao, grub. Okay, I think Pain is the leading one, followed by Janta, Give Up, and Bakar. These are on the leading
What
positions
is
in.
Bakar, man?
Someone can
Bakar
share?
is like bug, like that's
Bug?
something like that, or what is that? So Give Up. Yeah.
51 responses. Okay, awesome.
Superb.
Okay. We have a good word map in front of us. What are the different words which we used to use in IITB? Now, let us go to the next question. Okay. The next question is, and you can use the same link. Never caught by the security guards while doing any not allowed activities, and this not allowed within quotations can have a lot of things, which if some of you would like to share, it would be okay. But okay, I see 2 votes. The options are yes, obviously yes, no, maybe, but don't remember. I prefer not to say.
Why is it not showing?
Okay,
Some issues, I think 7 votes are there.
We have 7 responses. So guys, keep putting in your responses. I'll quickly check. Yeah, okay. It should show up on your screen now. Yeah, we have the results in front of us. At the leading point, we have maybe, but don't remember. Okay. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yes, we have a lot of yes. Someone would like to share what are those not allowed activities which you have done for which you have voted yes?
Yeah,
Anyone
Vijay.
would like to quickly share?
Hi, this is Vijay Singh.
Yeah, Vijay, come on, go
So,
up. Thank
yeah,
you.
so it was my first year of MTech. Okay, so my birthday was there. So me and my friends, we went outside, and there's a small liquor shop in front of IIT Bombay. Okay, so this is for the first time we tried beer. Okay, we bought it from there, and we were really scared when we were coming inside the campus. Okay, because we thought maybe there are chances we can get caught, right? So this is something we did initially, but there are so many things. But this is what initial memory I have.
You got caught by the security guard?
No, I didn't get caught, but
Okay.
there were chances. So we
Okay,
were,
there were
damn
chances.
scared. We were damn scared that time. Yeah.
Okay. I remember a group of my friends who used to stay in the same floor in the same wing. So they brought beer from outside, and one of the person, he was given the responsibility of bringing it, and he got caught by the security guard, and they fined him 10,000. Then after that, he said that it should be divided between all those who had ordered, but then none of them were ready to share the expenses. And that person was like, this is the first and last time in my life I have done this for you guys. I am out of all your future plans. I remember that. Okay, so yes is in the leading position. No, obviously yes, I prefer not to say. I wonder what was that not allowed activity which you did, which you prefer not to say. Obviously yes. Okay, maybe, but don't remember. Okay, then I am hoping that it was a long time back, but at least you remember that you did something. So that's interesting. Okay, wonderful. Utsav, back to you for the next set of questions.
Yep. Okay. Okay, I'm just sharing. Just 1 minute. Let me share the link. Yep. Yes. Yep. Everybody is able to see the question. Like, what was that one experience during Valfi which you still remember? I think there are a couple of options. That experience, like any experience, good, bad, gali, acha, or come on yaar, pour in. What else? Somebody proposed you, you proposed somebody, you know, they rejected, you rejected. Horrible gali, okay. What else? Gali fight, okay. Or food leke fight, anyone? Food, correct. Actually, we are like, used to like from the H10 or H11, who will invite us for that Velfi?
Chugging Amras. Okay, interesting.
Mango pulp. I think you should, Galified. What else? 7 only. Come on here. You can do better.
Going up. Nice. Wonderful.
Okay. Chittia word. Valfi. What is Chittia word? What is that? Anybody can explain? Exposing. Come on here. Some scam or something. What is that? Come on, somebody explain. Exposing. What is that? Hostels. Spelling. So Galified is the kind of winner looks like. Okay. QRT in Velvety. Chalo, can we go to the next one? Have you ever been in a hostel of the opposite gender? Sorry.
We have covered this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have covered this.
This we
I
have
think then we can move to the next question.
Next
then?
one, yeah.
I'll share the link. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Wonderful. And here it goes. You have the next link, and the results will be there before you in a second. Okay. Go ahead, guys. So, have you ever spotted a leopard during your IITB days? Yes, no. Only received mails about it on GPO, read in news. Okay, we have a person who says yes. So, can you share your experience? The one who said yes.
I think Santosh has raised his hands.
Santosh, would you like to share something?
Yes, I would like to share experience.
Okay, definitely go ahead.
I used to work in a mechanical engineering department. On the backside, heat pump lab is there, thermal engineering lab is there, right? So we were working on the first floor, and the leopard came in the ground floor. It was in afternoon at around 1:30, 2 o'clock, and suddenly security guard, everybody came, and even NDTV people also came. We were asked not to come down until the leopard caught at around 7 o'clock in the evening. So almost like 5 hours we were in the lab itself.
Did you manage to give an interview to the NDTV people?
No. They just talked to only the security people, security officer. Yeah. But it was 2 leopards actually, not 1.
Oh, 2 leopards. Okay.
Yeah, it was in 2005.
I think leopard is a frequent visitor in mechanical lab, because I studied in 2015 or something. Leopard at the lab.
Yeah, near that library, that area, there is a zone where you generally find the library, mechanical lab, that portion.
Exactly. Yeah. That's where it comes many times.
Yeah, even in H5 it had visited once.
H5. Okay.
So this needs some investigation. Why was it a favorite spot of the leopard? I think maybe some of us can look into it. And there are a lot of people who said only received mails about it on GPO. Yes, definitely true. This is my case as well. And I remember the mail which came, and it said that learn how to coexist with the leopards. That was the subject of the email. And after that, I was like, okay. So
I think many of us would have spotted snake in campus anyway.
Yeah, in hostel
so many
only.
times. So many times.
Snake happens in hostel. Yeah, in hostel only.
Yeah. You ask them, Nani sir, oh, they will not bite.
Okay. Human snake as well as the animal part.
Okay, wonderful. So seems most of us have only read about it on GPO, but only 9 people have answered. I wonder what the rest of the people are doing. Guys, come on, pour in your answers. Or if you'd like to share any experience, please go ahead. Okay, I see one more yes. Okay, number of yes has gone up. Wonderful. So we have someone else as well who has spotted a leopard. But okay, interesting. So,
Hello.
yeah, hello.
Yeah, I just wanted to share. We near going to the Vihar Lake hill, right? There is a underpass, a small.
Yeah, right. Which is guarded by the security always with the security
Yeah,
camera.
coming
Yeah.
back around 8 from the hills. This was in 88 or 80. Yeah, around 88, 1988. Where we just across this we saw something like leopard.
Okay, something.
And
Okay.
it was like late night. So,
Okay.
I mean, 3-4 guys were there, and then everybody said, "Yeah, it's leopard." So I don't recall exactly that we saw the leopard, but yeah,
Okay.
somebody said that was leopard.
Oh, okay.
The
So
eyes sparkled, so that may be the one of the reason, and it disappeared very fast.
okay.
And then, it was that time leopards were seen in the campus.
It was a common thing then at that
Yeah,
time.
people used to
Oh,
go with the torch and all to
yeah,
spot
to
the
spot leopards. Oh,
So it seems to be quite common. So
okay. Okay, so I wonder I have missed that option. I should have kept it. Yes, obviously, I have seen for some of you at least. Okay, so coming to the next question. So this will be our last question for today's session, and I would request all of you to participate in this. This is very important. Which is that one word which comes to your mind when you think about your IITB days? When you think about those days, when you have that nostalgia, so what is that one word which comes to your mind? The link is the same, and share the same link as before. Friends, definitely. Insti. Quiz. Okay. You remember your quizzes? Alive. Yeah, the campus was so alive, but right now the situation is quite opposite. And we hope it returns back to normal soon. I was seeing some of the pictures from the campus, and indeed there is a vast difference. Campus right now, what we used to see. Surprise quiz, okay. So someone says quiz, someone says surprise quiz. Tum Tum. Oh, seriously, those were wonderful. Yeah, the Tum Tums right now they have vanished, so they have electric shuttles right now. I really miss those things when we had the 8:15 class. I remember it was the institute elective class, professional communication, and the class used to start at 8:15. There was such a huge fight for Tum Tum. People used to wait from 8 o'clock just to catch the Tum Tum on time.
What is Tum Tum when you say Tum Tum means?
Tum Tum means those buses, those bus
Okay.
service which was there. It's called
Okay,
Tum Tum, right?
it was slightly different in 2004-5 because we had 3-wheeled rickshaws, but they are electric, white color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those we used to call them as Tum Tums.
Oh, okay. So maybe they have borrowed that same name, and when the bus service started, they have used it. Yeah, kind of a heritage thing. Alive, campus, hostel,
Pink Slip.
age 12, camp, Pink Slip. Yes, okay.
What is Pink Slip?
Pink Slip, okay. Though this is interesting because when you used to go to the medical center, right, just before an exam, if you have a quiz or something, the doctor will give you a pink slip. So it's a proof that you had a medical issue because of which you couldn't attend the exam. Okay, wonderful. Age 12, canteen, campus, insti, surprise quiz, night out, Wingles.
Vidyut.
Pink Slip has got the most number of responses. Yes, Rijas, yeah.
Tum Tum is not there right now, right? It
No,
has
they
been
have
replaced by
electric
golf.
shuttles right now. Yes, those things, yeah. Kind of the thing which they use in golf.
And also, like
During golfing.
when I was in hostel 6, in every wing, every day night, somebody had birthday and वो होता था क्या? Birthday bumps.
GPL
होता था GPL है.
Yeah.
एकदम whole night.
Nobody has written WTS server here. What is that? Where we store the movies.
DC++.
No, not DC++. Before that, there was something else. WTP or something like that.
That is so true, Santosh. That is very true. Like the movies that we used to watch, right?
So I'll share an incident. I was called by institute department which controls the data transfer, right? So they blocked my server for almost 1 month.
Oh, what did you do,
Because of-
Santosh? We are curious to know.
I kept lot of movies and it is being downloaded by all over the
Okay.
hostels from across.
Yeah.
so it was not appropriate at that time.
Okay. The sleeping syrup.
Yeah, the hostel one.
The hostel
IIT
one.
hospital one.
Yes.
Arey, we used to sleep like anything. That sleeping syrup. Come on.
One solution for all problems, the sleeping syrup.
Yeah. The pink one, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we come to an end of this particular part of the event. And okay, we have words which make us nostalgic. So the next section is an interesting game which most of you must have played at some point of time. But here we play it together, but the aim is the same. We'll have a lot of fun together. The idea is that I'll create breakout rooms, and so right now we have 18 participants. I'll assign 9 people in each of the breakout rooms, and in the breakout rooms we'll play a game known as Pictionary. So I'll be sharing a link, and with this, one of the people in the breakout room, so we'll have Utsav, Smita, Rijas. So one of the person will create a private room through which you can join the game portal, and we'll play a round of Pictionary all together in the 2 different breakout rooms. So the assignment will be done automatically. Assign, okay, 6 to 7 participants per room.
It's 14 Vidyut now.
Okay, so I'll create 2 rooms. I have opened the room. So right now you will get a request to join the rooms. Once you accept the request, you will be guided to your respective rooms where you can start playing the game. We have Utsav in room 2 and Rijas in room 1 will help out. Hi, Paul. Hello. Okay, we have one group which is already back. The other group, okay, they are gradually coming back because there is a 60 seconds time which they get to come back to the main room. So all of us will be here in another 40 seconds to be exact. Cool. Okay. So we have a very last round. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll quickly close off. So how was the game, guys? Did you enjoy it or was it boring? How was it?
Yeah, it's interesting. Vidyut, this is the first time I am playing this one.
Okay.
Yeah, it was real fun actually. Even I played for the first time.
Okay. And who was the winner in your group? Who was the winner in the different rounds?
In round 1, I was the winner from the second private
Okay.
group. And
Yeah. Okay.
I think Utsa will announce the second round winner.
Okay. Okay. So
I
who
am
are
the
the
winner.
winners? You are the winner?
I am,
Oh, wow. Santosh.
I am the winner because I learned something new.
Okay. Great.
Here, everyone is the winner, Vidyut.
Great, great. Good answer, man. Nice one. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the last section for today's event. And so this is known as Pixel to Picture. And we call it the IITB Throwback event. So I'll share my screen. Everyone is back from the breakout rooms. Yes, they are. Okay, now before starting, I'll quickly say that what the game is all about. So there will be a series of pictures, or in some cases, there will be a single picture. And what you have to do is you have to guess the word which connects these pictures, or it's most close to how you can relate to all these pictures. That is how the game will go. And everything is related to IITB. So try to think, recall those days, go back to those days and try to see that which word fits best to this series of pictures or the picture. So the presentation is coming up. Okay. Here we go with pixel to picture. As I mentioned, connect the pictures and guess the word. It's that as simple as that. So here goes your first series of questions. Any guesses? Anyone would like to give it a try?
Probably Machana,
Sorry?
probably, and mountain. Kati Janta.
No, 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 no. But you're going
So
in the
people
right
who've been part
direction.
of the team, that those won't tell, okay? If you've been part of the team and you designed or something, and we'll not, okay, you don't have to tell.
You can give other answers to confuse people. That is obviously there.
Okay. Okay, sure.
That option is always there. But oh, don't tell me Samir Hill because that is a mountain, that is not a hill.
It's
Just
related to Ghati Janta.
no, but something which most, I might not say most, but at least some of the Janta they do, especially when the time for the elections come up. To give you a hint.
Port Machana.
Very close, very close. Just try to relate. Very close. It's very close. You're almost
We
there.
give a very strong hint.
Yeah, I should help, right? Our alums only. So I should give them hints.
I know. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. If you try, just try to relate to the mountain. What is a mountain called in Hindi? You will try to get something.
Shudh Hindi.
Okay. This was one hint. Parvat. Okay, that is one way of calling it. But
What
okay.
are other like?
If I give this hint, you will be able to straight away come to the point, but I will reserve it for the end. What do people do when elections come up? What do the candidates do? Very close. Sorry?
Campaign.
No, no. Campaigning, but okay, what is the...
But campaigning is one part of it. Yeah,
yes.
the whole
Campaigning
gamut,
is one
the whole
part
gamut.
of it, yeah. How do you try to manipulate people, or how do you... what is the entire process known as? In IITB lingo, in Shuddh IITB lingo.
Actually, maybe not manipulate, like let's say influence people, right? Yeah, that may be like a good word. Like you want to influence people. Yeah.
Any word which is goes very well with Gandhi. Very well with Gandhi. You should tell now.
Gandhigiri.
Okay. right? And you take the last part of this word and try to relate.
Giri
Sorry?
is the Parvat.
Yeah.
Arjigiri.
Sorry?
Arjigiri.
Okay. You guys are all very close. So the answer is Poltogiri.
Netagiri.
Okay, but good guesses, guys. Good guesses. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Try to connect these two pictures and see if you can come up with the word. And one hint, during today's first session, when we were using those responses from all the alums, you were giving the response, it was coming up. This word had come up during at least one of the questions. So there is a question mark. Why? And there is a dot. How do you connect these two?
Connect the dot.
Connect the question mark and the dot.
Nice.
Come on, Janta.
It's
By the way, Janta is not a hint. Sorry?
I used to say Chamka a lot, actually. You know,
Yeah, it is the entry to IIT Bombay. As simple.
There was a hint for you?
Yeah, it said as a hint.
Yeah, no, yeah, that is what it is, a hint for all the participants. You can use it. What Rijas just now he said. Come on, guess karo. So, come on, Santosh. Why so silent?
Santosh, come on. Like
Nitesh,
Sujata, Kalis,
yeah, Nitesh, you are saying something?
Madhumesh.
Thinking.
Near that one.
Why?
Just put
Why?
something, whatever comes to
I
you.
got it.
Tell Santosh.
Y point.
Wow, wonderful.
Yeah, that's good.
Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Nice guess. Great. Awesome. So now we know that Santosh is very intelligent. Actually, he was spending his time to think and connect the dots. So, great. Awesome. We'll go to the next one.
Magga. Maggu.
Maggu.
Okay. This was an easy fight. Or how do you say Maggu? Okay. Okay. Now this one. We come to the next one. Relating both the pictures which you see. You have a family tree which shows a family tree which we have, and right hand side to whatever. Sorry.
No, just nothing.
Guessed.
My goodness.
Vijay.
This one I also don't know, yeah.
Vijay guessed something, right? You say something.
OMR. No.
No, he said grade.
Grade. Okay. Okay. That is a very good thing. Okay. Grade is there. I'll tell you. You try to relate it to grade. Something related to grade, but you need to find out the IITB lingo.
Machana.
No, not Machana.
Okay.
You see grades and you see a tree, family tree. What are the names? What are all this? Brother, daddy, sister, uncle, aunt. What are all this? What do we call? Relate. Okay. Now also you're not able to guess. Relatives. Okay.
Is it related to that roll dada thing?
You are very close. You just look at the two. Yeah.
Just think about how the teachers used to grade you.
Cumulative grade.
Relative grading.
Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. But what was the IITB lingo which used to? I think Nitesh said that, right? Nitesh was the one. Okay.
I think the ITB lingo.
RG.
They told
Right.
Anka,
Yes. That's true. RG-giri, we used to call it. Yes.
What was that?
RG-giri. Yes, the answer is there on your
RG-giri,
screen.
okay.
RG-giri. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's
But I'll
great.
take it as the right answer. Yes, definitely. You guys guessed it. Though after a lot of hints. Okay. Okay. Now this one, guys. This one should be easy.
Night out.
Perfect. Who said that? Nitesh. Nitesh is the champion of guessing.
Somebody is asking,
Right now.
what was the last answer? Okay, last answer was?
RJ-giri.
RG-giri. Yes. RG-giri. Yes, right. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. This is a single word. And this is how you used to describe someone sometimes.
Kraku.
Sorry?
Kraku.
Right. Actually, it's right. So you'll crack hai. Yeah, Kraku. Same thing.
Raku. Yes.
Yep. Okay. Okay, now this one should be easy.
Raku's right.
दया करो भाई.
दरवाजा तोड़ो.
No doubt.
सही है.
Okay. This one. Go for it. This is a lingo which used to use. Again, this is IITB lingo. Okay, I should have a look at the chat box as well. People are commenting something.
Is it related to ghai? Ghai or something?
Related to Khai?
Ghai,
Yes.
ghai. Ghai, ghai.
No, it's not.
Ghai.
Khai. Okay, any other guesses?
So when you want to just not continue with something, like, you just want to tell your friend, okay, just leave it.
That was simply telling out the entire answer. Now it should be very
Give up.
easy.
Oh, sorry.
No.
कटले यार ऐसा something.
The cutting,
Leave it, guys.
cutting chai, cutting tea. Yeah, that also we used to say. I mean, not related to this.
Leave it, guys. Now you should give the answer. That was the hint, actually.
Come on, think. I know, like, some of these are tricky.
The car fell into something. Now think about it.
Gutter.
It looks like a gutter, but it's not meant. Okay.
Gadha, right? Gadha. So what else can you call that one? Oh,
A bigger form of a gadda. A very deep gadda. What do you say when you say, okay, leave it, man? Leave it. No need to worry, leave it. What do you say in IITB lingo? Okay, who said that?
someone said Santosh.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
No, I think
Nitesh.
Nitesh. Yeah, Nitesh is the champion of
Yeah, right.
pixel to picture. Great. Okay. We'll go to the
Nitesh,
next one.
It
is on fire today. Ekdam.
Yeah.
Which
I need hints.
Okay.
This is easy.
Sorry?
This
You want
will
the
be
Dosa.
dosa?
Gullu. Gullu had famous dosas, I think.
No, okay, but that is the thing. But I got the right answer before.
Dosa.
Dosa. Yes, correct. Yes. Dosa is the correct answer.
Oh,
Dosa was
dosa.
also
Dosa, yes.
student affairs. Yeah, Dosa was also
Yes,
used
yes.
to Dosa.
Maddu mess. Okay. That was also. Okay. Come on. This should be.
The
easy.
one who was there at our time, he's in Bangalore. He's a very good person, a very good prof, Professor Amarnath.
क्या है?
Someone
क्या
told
है?
something
इंटरव्यू के बाद क्या है?
just now. What's up?
Disappointed.
Senti.
ब्रेकअप क्या है?
Disappointing. Okay. That's close.
जॉब वो इंटरव्यू दिया कि लेकिन नहीं हुआ ऐसा है क्या?
Not placements.
Parra? Parra?
No. How is this person feeling like? Just after maybe some horrible incident happened with him. Failure, but what does he want to do right now?
That's ITB limbo.
I got the answer, I think.
Someone said something.
Who said that?
Nitesh today.
Nitesh? What did you say?
Give up.
Yes, definitely true. Wonderful. Somehow someone has leaked all the answers to Nitesh or what?
I don't know. I'm also surprised. How come I know these?
Who has mutual friend with Nitesh?
Okay. Come on, guys. Let's go for this.
LT.
Yeah, okay. Tell.
LT के पास वो रेस्टोरेंट था एक.
Larsen and Toubro?
LT के पास का रेस्टोरेंट.
नहीं, not that. One of the places. Where
lecture halls. Lecture halls.
Lecture theaters. Yes.
Lecture
yeah, true. Lecture theaters. Correct. Okay. Now, the last one. Come on, guys. Go for it. The last one. Connect both these pictures and.
Silent your phone.
No. No.
Off your phone.
Usually I used to hear it last.
Emoji? क्या है ये?
No.
Phone.
Emoji.
Lost your phone?
No.
So think of a generic word for the first picture.
What are all these pictures on the left hand side? Whatever pictures you can see, this 6 set of pictures. What are these
Emotions.
actually? What are these? Emotions, okay. But what
Emotions,
else
yeah.
do you call it?
Expressions.
Expressions, emotions, what else?
Something.
Reaction.
Okay. What else? What else? What are these? What is the person exhibiting through all these pictures? What is he showing?
He's showing his.
Maybe another name for
Okay,
emotions.
go for it. Go for it. I think someone said that word.
Grievances.
No. I think I heard something else.
Mood, na?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And
Okay.
Can you build that on Swayam? Can you build on that? Santosh?
Yeah.
Build on that one.
what is
What do you
there on the right hand side?
Phone is there. Apple is there. Camera is there.
What phone? What phone?
Mood
is it?
eye.
Phone. Mood eye.
Perfect.
Oh.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome, guys. So
Yeah,
get all the answers. So this brings us to an end of all the fun sections which we had, and it's already I think 6:35, overshot by 5 minutes. But still, for the closing address, I would like Smita to say something with all of us, and before we end our session, Smita, for the closing address, over to you.
Okay. I'll just go back to the screen.
Okay, Navendu has also joined us. Hi, Navendu. Hello.
Did he leave? That's nice.
Okay, but when did he join?
Again, hi, Navendu.
Yeah, for
Please, so
the.
can you stop sharing the screen with you? Can you please
Yeah,
stop
it's
sharing the
now.
screen then?
Yeah, sure. Okay. I
I
stopped
just-
sharing.
मैंने पहले आया था तब मीटिंग होने शुरू होने में 5 मिनट थे फिर आई गॉट बिजी तो आई जस्ट केम
Okay.
I hope it was
Great. It was nice. Thank you for joining. Yes, Smita. So I hand over the stage to our chapter president, Smita, to share the closing remarks.
Okay.
Over to you, Smita.
Okay. Okay, so on behalf of the Meet and Greet Informal Events team, I would like to thank all the participants for taking time in their schedule to attend the fun events. And it's been a great, to connect with all of you. I realize some of, one of the participants mentioned he'd been in Bangalore for 10 years, and yet, this is the first time he's attending an IIT Bombay event, which is actually, I think it's very cool. Like
Smita, there is a disturbance, a small lag.
steadily, we're getting the people together. Thank you for joining all of you.
Okay.
I also want to take this opportunity to thank our COO, IITB-AA, Namita Lobo, who was there for time. Okay. Can you hear? Okay, so I guess maybe it's possible. Can you hear?
Yet, yes, it's better now, but in between again, it's breaking. So, hello, Smita, can you?
Yeah,
try
I can
sharing
hear
one?
you.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now it's much better. Yes, you can continue.
Okay, cool. So I would like to also take this opportunity to thank Namita Lobo, our COO, IITB-AA, and also Santosh, who's our earlier president for Bangalore chapter, for joining this event. Also, I'd like to thank our CEO, Devesh Khatu, for his constant support to all our events, including this one. Gaurav Shinde for his amazing support in sending the personalized mails to Alum in Bangalore chapter. Also, we'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks, to Alum Vinod Bolini, who is the founder and CEO of Arzu, for helping us conduct this event in a smooth way and by giving us his company Zoom Pro platform. So thank you so much, Vinod. I want to thank all our team members who have put in a lot of efforts to put this event together. Am I audible like now?
Yes, Smita. Yeah, continue. You're audible. Yeah, you're
Cool.
audible. Yeah.
So I want to thank our team members who have put in a lot of efforts to put this event together, starting with Vidyut, who's the event lead for the event. He's the vice president of our chapter, and he conceptualized the event, coordinated with the entire team to give shape to the same. He's been working, I think they've been working on this for about 3 weeks now. And also I would like to thank Pramod Kumar, and because he did an amazing job in thinking of the IIT slangs and finding the interesting pictures, which I found, I think a lot of you who'd been a part of the last part of the event, you realized it was a little tough. Some pictures were easy and some were a little tough. Even we could not guess them. So that was actually pretty cool. We'd like to thank Rijas, our teammate and our treasurer, for helping us in a sincere way at every stage. We'd like to thank Tamanna. She also gave very good ideas in the planning part of the event, including, playing the Pictionary game. So Vidyut found the equivalent of that, which is Scribble. Umang Chaparia, he was also in the planning meetings. And last but not the least, I'd like to thank Utsa Mukherjee for putting the first event together for the icebreaker and thinking of very good questions which would engage alum. And those were really, really interesting questions. How would you engage alum? So Vidyut and Utsa worked on that together, and it was actually like an interesting event, the first one. Sincere thanks to Vidyut, Rijas, Tamanna, Utsa for publicizing the event on Telegram, and to our entire team of area representatives, both senior and the new ones, who helped us in publicizing the event across all our chapter groups. Because I believe we always strongly believe in, thanking all our area reps who help us in a very sincere and a very constant way. Thank you so much. We wish well to all our alum, and please stay safe, take good care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. And before we close the meeting, if anybody would like to share their experiences of today's event, or if you'd like to share something, we are open for that. Nitesh, Vijay, Santosh.
Hi, this is Vijay.
Yeah. Yes, Vijay. Yeah,
so
go
this
ahead.
is for the first time I'm joining a Bangalore chapter. Okay, couldn't be a part of it from last 2 years, but yes, I'm really excited now to even meet everyone in person from next time. And this session was really a very, I can say, engaging session. Okay, and many fun activities were there. Even we recognize, we remember many lingos, and we good experience overall.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Vijay. Thank you. Nitesh, you would like to share something? Our champion of pixel to picture session.
Yeah, thanks. First of all, thanks so much for everyone, especially the committee, for organizing these very frequently. This is my second time with the committee meetings. Last time we went for a breakfast meeting at HSR, and it's always fun to meet the alumni and spend some time with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nitesh. It was wonderful, and I hope all the events were very exciting. Santosh, would you like to share something?
Thank you very much. It was a very nice and interactive session, and the way it has been organized with the appropriate number of questions and making it a fun-filled event. I could able to learn some more lingos, which I think I missed out, and which are latest now, which
me too,
which I hadn't got an opportunity to learn those. So thank you very much, Vidyut, Smita, Utsav, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Santosh. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll have similar events very soon. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.